I'm Megha Bhatia, founder of Book Your Ghar Real Estate LLC in Dubai. Welcome to the Dubai Real Estate Podcast Show. And today we'll be talking about commercial office spaces in Dubai and why you should be investing in a commercial office space in 2026. Do you know there's a 95% occupancy in A-grade commercial office spaces? So, to know more about commercial office spaces, I have an expert with me today. We have Ma from Earth. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Very well. Really glad to have you here today.
Same here. So, Ma, I think there's a huge demand for commercial office spaces. I would like to ask you why we should invest in a commercial office space.
It's a very good question. It's simply demand and supply. We have a gap in the grade A office segment right now, and that's why it's the best time to invest.
Oh, wonderful. So, we have HQ by Rove. How HQ by Rove is different from other commercial office spaces which are in the market?
Fantastic question. HQ by Rove is the first ever hospitality branded commercial building in the UAE. In addition to that, the offices here are delivered fully furnished and fully fitted. Not just that, you also get an office that's fully serviced.
Oh, wow. So they don't have to get their furniture or anything. They just have to come and they're ready to go.
Absolutely. This is perfect for investors if they just want to get their property and put it up for rent, or for businesses who just want to grab their laptop and start working from day one.
Absolutely. And I've seen that generally commercial office spaces generate a rental of 10 to 11%, which is way beyond than the residential in some areas.
Correct. You're absolutely right. And that's why investors are choosing to diversify their portfolio and invest in commercial spaces right now.
But there's a concerning question which my clients were personally asking that can foreigners buy commercial properties in Dubai?
Great question. In fact, our offices are all freehold. That means even your investor can obtain a 10-year golden visa through their purchase.
Oh, that's wonderful. And when I was going through the towers mock-up, like 3D models, I saw some beautiful concepts over here, like a jacuzzi, a swimming pool, and whatnot. So you guys are promoting this concept called as OOO. Could you elaborate on it? What is it?
You're right. Triple O stands for out of office. Over 28% of HQ by Rove is dedicated to co-working spaces and amenities. This is the office you actually want to show up to.
Oh my God. Show up to and show off to your friends and family members also and to your colleagues, because you get everything here, like from yoga studios to podcast studio. I think it's a office space for Gen Z.
100%. This is for the new generation.
New generation. And if we talk about, is there a new launch that is coming up?
Very good question. We have the first ever art-led commercial tower launching in Business Bay. This is for people who prioritize exclusivity and time.
That's wonderful. So there are multiple launches happening, and I'm sure you must be asking about the price. What is the starting price?
That's a good question.
But wait, I'm not going to share that in this video. So to know the price and to get, let's connect over a Zoom meeting with me and Ma, and we'll share more details with you. Till then, stay connected with us. Signing off from Dubai.